Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Erenberg Tarot by Steve Erenberg. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $23.95 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, let's get into it. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this our way. Erenberg Tarot offers unique perspectives on the iconic Rider-Waite tarot from which it takes its inspiration. In contrast to traditional tarot scenes that prompt the viewer to look inward, the subjects in these cards are looking out at the readers, inviting them to join the journey to discover the fascinating stories and mystical tales within the deck. The artwork also focuses on key aspects of the cards and illuminates vital elements and concepts, allowing the reader to delve deeper into the inner meanings. Includes 78 cards and a 76-page illustrated guidebook with keywords for upright and reversed positions. Interesting. Okay, well, let's take a look at it. Oh, that's a fun background. Okay, so before we get into the cards, let's just take a peek at the guidebook here. Booklet by Karen Boginski. Yay, we do get a table of contents. All right. It just goes straight into the card meanings after a little introduction. I wanted to check out the spreads here. We've got a past, present, future, moving forward spread, and relationship spread. And then we got a little bit about the artist. Very cool. And we got a little note page. Awesome. I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. All right, here's the back of the cards. Very fun. It has a slight gloss to it. And it's that US Game System cardstock. Very nice, flexible, but sturdy, and it snaps back. So I have a feeling it's going to shuffle very nice. I like the size as well. This is going to be an interesting deck to get to know because what a perspective. We have the title and the number down below here. Magician. This is interesting. Look at the pomegranate behind her. Okay. I kind of like this. We'll check the guidebook to see how detailed it gets, but it might be a little challenging for beginners. But if you are drawn to this style of artwork, it wouldn't be too difficult to learn if that's what you're drawn to. Oh. This kind of reminds me of the Morgan Greer Tarot a little bit, just because of how the perspective is changed. The Morgan Greer Tarot is a little bit more close-up, but this is like completely different. Oh, I love. Ooh. Coming out of the page there. I like this. I think this is very unique. Ooh. Different. Oh. Look at the little UFO. Oh my gosh. We got a rocket with the moon. Ooh. Okay. Very cool major arcana. Let's check out the minors here. That's so fun. What a cool concept. Huh. Love this. Oh. Sweet. Okay, pentacles. I like that. That's a new way of having the juggling coins, pentacles. That's great. I love that too. This is really neat. What a great take on this. Wow. Okay, well, Pentacles I think has to be my favorite so far out of the two minors that we see. I just love the perspective. I love what is added. Oh, sweet. Oh. Those kind eyes. All right, we got swords. Oh, I like this three of hearts, three of swords. Well, hat pin is what I was focused on. Oh, that's cool. Interesting. And wands. Oh, arrow. Very cool. I really like this concept a lot. The art is really great. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Not an issue. I like the size a lot. Shuffles great this way. See how it shuffles. Yeah. All right, let's get a card to read, please. We'll do the Page of Wands, or yeah, Page of Wands. Okay, the page is young and ready to embark on creative new adventures. He is energetic and full of optimism. The lizard is a symbol of new beginnings. Okay. And then we have keywords here: upright, enthusiasm, new projects, new directions. Reverse, lack of follow through, overzealous, lack of enthusiasm. Just want to see, yep, same thing for the major arcana too. Okay. So my thoughts on this are I really love it. I think it's great if you are experienced or intermediate, but I do think there's room for you to learn on this as a beginner as well. The guidebook is a great start. You can always get more tarot reference books, especially if this is based upon the Rider-Waite symbolism. So you can definitely get one of those reference books too if you need a little extra help. But the perspective is so cool. The art style is fantastic. I do wish there were different skin tones in here. However, I understand that this is like a direction that they wanted to go into, kind of looking a little European here. So I get that, but that's just my 2 cents. Other than that, I really love the perspective. I love the uniqueness of it, and you still get those intuitive hits. And especially if you are seasoned with the Rider-Waite symbolism, like you automatically know that the important symbols are in here. So very cool. I love the way it shuffles. The price point is great. I'm really thrilled to get to know this a lot better. Now I'm excited to know what you guys think. Is this something that you will connect with? Is this something on your list? Is this something that you're excited about? Or is it a pass for you? Let me know all of those thoughts down below in the comments. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. I'm really appreciative. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss a video from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.